What's up, guys? It's me, Ashton here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Today I have a special guest. It's my mom. And today we're going to be showing you the best kinetic sand.
All right.
This sand does not connect.
All right. We'll go over there and we'll take a look at it. Let's have at. All right. Oh, I don't know how to turn this around, so we're just gonna go like this because I don't want you looking at me.
So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna tell me if you see a web coming out when it is falling. Tell me if you see. Not real. Kinetic sand. Did you see a little bit of a web? Tell us down in the comments. I'm going to show you guys the coolest thing.
Gotta make it real tight. Here, put it down.
If you're wondering, why do I have this cup?
Why does she have this cup?
We are gonna wipe it off, right? Where's the knife? Are you hiding? Yep, you were.
Get it nice and even. What if you use the other side?
No, that's not
Oh, okay.
thin enough. That's super thin. This is really sharp.
It's okay. Why don't you go like this?
Nope, no.
No, it's flat. I'll flatten this for you.
Okay, are you guys ready? Why does this cup look different? Let's see. Because we made a door.
It's a sandcastle door.
So, was that cool? Tell us down in the comments if you liked it.
Tell us in the comments.
This was for my birthday, and I'll just tell us in the comments if you want to see another video with me and my mom, or me and my dad, or me and my brother, or me and my whole family. We'll see you on my birthday, I think, and we'll see you at the beach on my birthday.